Hey, so we have Olga here with us today. Olga, thank you for being with us. Fantastic result. I want you to tell me more about it. You put the system online, the COS system went on live, and within 7 days, you got 100 leads and seven booked calls.
That's right.
Freaking fantastic. But you tell me, like, how does that feel? Like, yeah, just tell me about that.
Well, how is that feels? It feels fantastic, as you said, because to get the same results previously with everything I tried, it took me longer than a year.
Wow.
And here it's exactly 7 calendar days, one whole week, exactly 100 subscribers, and not seven, 8 book calls.
Eight.
Yes.
Oh, it's eight.
From
Wow.
just automatically, and now I'll be making calls as recommended, and more people subscribing, not subscribing, signing up for the call with me. Yeah.
Fantastic.
So
Fantastic.
I'm really pleased, and everything what I thought it's, oh my God, it's so difficult. I cannot say it's easy, but it's doable. That's what I love. And doing step by step, knowing the next step, and if I'm not sure, asking and having my question answered, it's fantastic. It's amazing. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate, and I, yes, ask me more so
Yeah.
I can.
It's brilliant. It's brilliant. And you were mentioning it before then, like, for yourself, yeah, where were you before? Where were you before COA then? When you didn't
Well,
have this?
it
Yeah.
was years of slowly building client base and lots of free stuff and lots of giving of my time, my energy,
Mm,
my expertise, my knowledge, and feeling gradually more and more depleted because attracting more and more people who are willing to take but not willing to give, not willing to invest themselves fully into a process as well, getting those brilliant results that I know are there waiting for them, but they're not willing to take. And I just felt that that's my last bit where I came to a point I cannot give
mm,
anymore because not seeing that there is reciprocity, not seeing that people as well willing to invest their time, energy, money into getting their results. And I thought I need to find the other way, and I think I found the other way, and with your help I think I'm on the right path. Thank you.
yeah. Awesome, awesome. And so for you then, Olga, what would you say is the best part of being with COA? Some people say it's the kind of step-by-step modules taking you through like how to set up the system, step by step again. Other people say that it's maybe the support. We're here for you every single step of the way with, answering your questions in the group or on the live coaching sessions. Or would you say maybe it's the assets themselves? So funnels, contracts, email templates, the closer process. Like, what for you has been the best thing about COA?
It's a good question. As you said, everything of that, but probably for me the most important, that when I had the first initial session, it clicked with me that yes, it makes sense because I done everything before, like inventing the light bulb. I done all the things before that I know this doesn't work. So
Mm,
I was looking for what actually is going to work because I know what is not working, but I don't know what I don't know, and I don't know what is going to work.
mm.
So the combination of all those things, it's a system, it's step by step, it's a support that I really appreciate. It's fast support. It's not taking you 1, 2, 3 days to get a response. It takes few minutes, it takes up to half an hour, you have response, then you can move on, and very clear modules and really clear steps, and yes, the links, the templates, knowing what to do at which stage. It's really essential. Yeah,
Fantastic, fantastic.
all
So
of this.
great.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. And for you, then, Olga, what would you say to someone who's thinking about joining COA then?
Obviously, check in and see if that resonates with you, and if you have this aha, yes, aha, makes sense. And if it does, go for it. Make that step, commit, and go through the steps of the program to have your results, because you can continue for another year, 2, 3 years doing the same thing. You can give up on what you're doing. That's another option. Or you can give it a go and see how it works for you. So simple. For me, it's simple.
Simple, simple, fantastic. Yeah. So, Olga, like, I want to just be thankful towards you right now for sharing that with us. And look, I really appreciate you being here, putting in the work for sure. Now it's of course next steps of getting more book calls in, making sales. So really, really excited for what is to come for your business. Okay. So again, fantastic job on getting that all set up. And yeah, let's just keep it going, and let's keep results coming in.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. Definitely,
Amazing.
I would say what I done in 2 months, it took me 2 years and I wasn't there. So yeah,
That's
I
great.
really say try.
Yeah. Fantastic. Okay. Let's keep it going then. Let's keep it going. Fantastic.